In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build a website with Hostgator, a simple and efficient platform that makes web hosting a breeze. Whether you're a beginner or have some web building experience, these steps will guide you through creating your own website from scratch using Hostgator. First, let's start by opening your web browser and navigating to the Hostgator website. You can find it easily at www.hostgator.com. HostGator is well known for its reliable web hosting services, making it a popular choice for many website creators. Once you are on the site, you'll see a variety of hosting options, but for this tutorial, let's head straight to the top right corner of the page where you'll find the Sign In button. Go ahead and click on it to access your HostGator account. Now that you're signed in, you'll be directed to your account overview. Here, you'll have access to all your account details and options. Look for the HostGator home section and click on it. This area serves as your central hub for managing everything related to your hosting. It's designed to keep things organized and straightforward. Next, locate the website link on the HostGator homepage. Clicking on this will take you to a dedicated section for managing and building your websites. This is where the magic begins. Once you are in the website area, look for the ADD Site button. This option is crucial, as it initiates the process of creating a new website on your hosting account. Click on it and watch as the setup process starts to unfold. After you click ADD Site, you'll be prompted to fill in some details about the new website you wish to create. Here you'll input necessary information such as your site's name and other essential settings. Take your time with this step since it's important to get these details right for both branding and functionality. As you proceed with entering your site information, you'll eventually come across a Continue button. Clicking this will finalize your initial website setup. HostGator will handle the back-end configuration, ensuring your new website is ready to use. This step is streamlined for ease of use, allowing you to focus on designing and populating your site with content once the build process is complete. And there you have it, you've successfully set up a new website using HostGator. You can now begin customizing your site, adding pages and uploading content to make it uniquely yours. With HostGator's user-friendly tools and supportive infrastructure, you're well equipped to create a professional-looking website in no time. Thank you for watching, and I wish you all the best with your new website.